Hello everyone, I'm Kamal Noori and here is Remote Sense Geosciences channel. Today I want to talk about iron exploration based on some classification. Let's start. This image is east of Shiraz, east of Fars province, and this image is Lancet 9. And we can see iron mine in this area, for example, in this point and this point, Quran iron in the east of Fars province or the east of Shiraz city. We can sharp or highlight the pixel of iron deposit based on RS technique. For example, based on SAM classification or based on spectral library. In some method, we used spectral library or spectral reflectance curve. We can see and create spectral reflectance curve in tour and spectral library viewer. Click on spectral library viewer and spectral library file was open, and this file USGS _ that's mean United States Geological Society, mine means minerals. Click on this file and open this file. USGS mine was open, and for example iron oxide, example hematite or hematite or magnetite. We can see this mineral. For example, hematite number 1. I click in this file and hematite number 1 spectral library flat was open, and in export way or export path we must save as spectral library. Click on spectral library and output file name. I save in desktop spectral in Remote Sense Geosciences and create new folder, hematite or hematite spectral reflectance curve SRC. And I save in this name hematite underline spectral reflectance curve number 1. Okay, and okay, and close this plot. And next step, classification. Click on classification and spectral angle mapping classification or SAM classification. SAM classification or spectral angle mapping classification. Click on this highlighted file, and at the first I must click satellite image. Clip number 1. OK, and step number 2, we can see spectral library or spectral reflectance curve. In import path, and from spectral library file, and click on open spectral library. I select HEM or hematite underline spectral reflectance curve number 1 and OK. After 1 minute, spectral library is OK. In select input file and click on OK. Select all file and click on OK. And next, select all and apply. And at the first, in memory, I click in memory and OK. And we can see the result. Unsupervised or unclassified in black color and hematite in red color. And we can see the result. Hematite number 1 don't result for me. And we must continue this method is hematite number 2. In spectral library viewer and USGS mine, I selected hematite number 2. This file, hematite or hematite number 2, and repeat this operation. Export spectral library and save in hematite underline spectral reflectance curve number 2. Open and OK. And spectral library of hematite number 2 was saved. And then spectral angle mapper classification. I click in this file, and at the first I select satellite image. Clip number 1 and click on OK. And second step, I import spectral library, for example, hematite number 2. In open and spectral library, hematite, spectral reflectance curve number 2. Click on open and hematite underline spectral reflectance curve was appear in this location. And click on OK and select all item and OK, and then select all and apply and click on memory. Click on memory and click on OK, and we can see the result. And we can see unclassified and hematite number 2. In hematite number 2, we aren't useful or good result. And repeat this operation with another spectral library. For example, in spectral library viewer, I will click and USGS mine, and USGS mine, I select hematite number 3. Continue with hematite number 3. Hematite 3. I select its file and export such as spectral library and save in this path, and hematite underline spectral reflectance curve number 3. Open and OK, and this spectral reflectance curve or spectral library was saved in spectral reflectance curve number 3. I close this flat and continue classification with spectral Anger Mappel classification. Click on this file and at the first select satellite image, clip number 1, OK, and step 2, import spectral library. In import path or import way, from spectral library file and open spectral library, I select hematite underline spectral reflectance curve number 3. And after hematite number 3 was appear in this path, click on OK and select all, OK, and select all, apply in memory or in output result to file. Click on OK. And we can see the nice result. Sam can select and enhance iron deposit for us. In this area, iron mine or Kuran iron mine is located, and this SAM classification and SAM classification can able to separate the pixel of iron deposit in this area. In this area, you can see, and this area, you can see the result of SAM classification. So, SAM classification able to select and enhance iron deposit or iron pixel for us in this area. Many thanks for your attention. Goodbye.